Today I'm going to be taking a look at this ThinkScan 672 that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, get it charged up and updated, and then we're going to go try it out. Right out the box, you got this nice ThinkCar case. It is a semi-rigid case, as in it's soft, not hard plastic or anything, but still holds this thing well. Out of the case, you get all the accessories you need to run this. You got the ThinkCar scanner. This is a power plug, USB plug on the back, and then you pick your region's port types, USB charge cable, and the cable you need to connect to your vehicle, and of course a manual to explain it all. This is a little rubber insert that was over the glass here to keep it protected. Let me get this thing charged up and updated. All right, so I've got this thing plugged into my truck. I do have it fully updated and fully charged. So let's go ahead and get this thing to AutoSearch my truck and see what my check engine lights are doing. After the scan screen, it's going to show you your VIN and all the details about your truck, and then it's going to go to this screen because it did go in and search and find all the modules and everything. So now I'm just going to hit automatically search, and it's going to go through, find everything that it needs to check, and then it's going to pull the codes. Now I can just click the health report, and it's going to go ahead and give me a full report on what's going on with my truck. I click that. It's going and scanning everything. I've got my thumb covering my VIN because I can't have that information in the video. And it's just going to go through everything and find all the fault codes for my truck. I know the brake control module had an error because it's got a blown fuse, and I had to order that fuse. But we're going to see what else it has. All right, it's done scanning. I've got 30 systems and 18 codes in those 30 systems. I scan my truck a lot because it's just always got new codes popping up. Even if I fix one, another one pops up. So I really need something like this all the time so I can figure out what is going on with this 2020 diesel. One cool feature it has, if you see on the bottom right corner, it has the report, so I can actually just run a report on this, email it to myself, or save it on the device. That way I can reference it anytime I need after I've done the scan. And then if you click on the code, it's going to do some searching, and it's going to come back with this list of problems that it could be. And this you can do on every code that it finds, which is really cool. It gives you all kinds of repair information. That's really neat, and it's got the Google search on the bottom right too, so you can search more about it from Google, or we can just go back and look at all the other trouble codes. So that was the injector code. I've also got, the DPF regen frequency too low, and the NOx filters, and all of this fun stuff that they do to diesel engines to tear them up nowadays. And if we go through the codes, it's pretty much the same codes repeated over and over again. There's that brake controller DTC that I know about because it's got a blown fuse. And if I scroll through the other modules, they're all good. So I'm going to go ahead and print out a report on this thing, and then we're going to clear these codes out. If I want to clear the codes, I just hit clear DTCs. This little note's going to come up, and it is going through and clearing the codes. The check engine light's already off. Of course, this isn't fixing your vehicle. This is just clearing the codes to see what comes back. And I know on this truck, they just keep coming back. Now it says it's got 5 DTCs. I know the tire pressure monitors are running low on their battery. That's just something I have to change when they replace the tires. And again, the blown fuse. But that's it. Of course, those codes that I just erased are going to come back because it's related to the regen system on my truck that I'm going to get fixed pretty soon. But yeah, it's a great little tool. You don't have to go in and specify each and every little module just to get, your DTC codes. This thing will do a full search of your vehicle, pull back all of the components, and then do the search for you. Makes life so much easier when it just does it automatically. Plus, there's a ton other features of this thing. So of course this has the auto search feature. It has built-in AI to go in and diagnose all your codes. But this thing also has the dollar fix community where you can ask people for help, get, help from other people that have had the same problems. You can go in and update all of the modules on this thing. It's got free lifetime updates, just really everything that you would need out of a scanner. And if you go in to see the different vehicles this thing covers, it's just a massive list that scrolls forever. It covers pretty much every vehicle out there. Can scan your codes, clear your codes, troubleshoot the issues for you. Pretty neat little tool. Another cool thing that this version can do is it's bidirectional, so you can come in here and play with the different actuators and turn certain things on and off just to make sure that they're running okay. Like this truck has the active grille air shutters. Let's test that out. So you've got these buttons in the bottom right corner. I can go over there and tell it to open them, to close them, make sure they're working right. I can get live data, basically everything you would expect out of a bidirectional scan tool like this. So again, you can come in here and test your modules. You can also come in here and select specific data streams, get the responses from all of these different modules, see how they're acting, interact with them. Just really cool. It's very feature rich and has pretty much, like I said, everything you would think you would need out of one of these tools. I sent myself the report so I can look into the codes that it had. So yeah, really cool scan tool. Definitely something that I'll be keeping. It's got all the features I need. I really like it. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.